In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Civil 3D background white. If you prefer drafting on a bright canvas or need high contrast for screenshots and presentations, this quick adjustment will make your model space background white without affecting your drawings or print settings. Start by opening the Options dialog, click into the command line at the bottom of your Civil 3D window, type Options, and press Enter. The Options dialog controls many visual and behavior settings and will focus on the display configuration. In the Options dialog, switch to the Display tab. This is where you can change how the drawing window looks. Find and click the Colors button. That opens the Drawing Window Colors dialog, which lets you set colors for different parts of the interface. At the top of this dialog, locate the Context drop-down and set it to 2D Model Space. Model Space is the main drafting area where you create and edit your geometry, so we want to target that specific environment. Next, find the Interface Element drop-down and choose Uniform Background. This refers to the solid background color behind your geometry and grid, so changing this will directly update the canvas you draw on. Now choose white as the color. You should see the preview update right away so you can confirm the change. A white background can be easier on the eyes for some users and often improves visibility if your layer colors are darker. If any of your layers are very light, consider adjusting those layer colors later so lines remain visible against the white canvas. But note that you're not changing any layer settings here, only the background. Once you're happy with the selection, click Apply and Close to confirm the color change in this dialog. You'll return to the Options window, click OK to finalize and exit. Your model space background should now appear white. A quick note on scope. This change affects 2D model space only. Other areas like layout or different visual contexts have their own color settings controlled from the same dialog, so don't be surprised if those look different. Also, this is a display-only preference. It doesn't modify plotting behavior or line weights, and it won't alter the way your drawings print. If the background doesn't look white immediately, make sure you're actually in model space rather than a layout, and verify that the context you set was 2D model space. With that, you're all set to draft on a clean, bright background in Civil 3D.